Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a bruise using the techniques I've been learning at Online Makeup Academy. I'm currently enrolled in their special effects course that they have offered, and I'm so excited to be expanding my SFX knowledge. You guys know how much I really love special effects, so being able to be involved in this course is so exciting. With this course, you're watching one-on-one videos as well as submitting your work. And when you submit your work, then you then get personalized videos sent back to you with feedbacks from your mentors. That's so amazing. And I really love the ability to have the one-on-one with my mentor and to make sure that I am following what I need to in order to make sure I'm doing things correctly. The courses are available internationally and there is no age limit to that. Once you've completed the course and graduated, you're still able to go back and look at the information. Even as they've updated the courses, you can still get the updated information and continue to grow with your art. If you're interested in expanding your makeup, check out Online Makeup Academy.